Well, welcome to Pennsylvania. Just thought I'd share a quick little video with you this evening. Yes, this video is going to be a little bit out of order from my other ones. As you know, there's usually a backlog to my videos. But this one is filmed today and uploaded today. But I thought I'd share with you what the present circumstances are here in the midst of a snowstorm. Getting overnight, like, I don't know, anywhere from a foot to 20 inches or something like that. But we'll see what happens. Winds are picking up. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow morning. If it's not too bad tomorrow morning, we'll go for a hike. But you won't see that video for like several weeks though, because like I said, this video is kind of out of sequence from my others. But I just want to share with you what's going on out here. It's getting cold too. Snow plows are busy. Got one coming up. Snow isn't too deep yet, but they're just trying to keep it from piling up on the roads. And down here in the backyard where I often film sometimes for my mail or set up the trail cam, but cold and snowy down here now. Alright, for the rest of you going through the storm, I hope things go well for you. Hope you don't lose power. Hope you stay warm, stay safe. Might be best just to stay off the roads. Alright, well, I'm going to get back inside where it's warm. Figure out what I'm going to eat for supper tonight yet. Alright, well, I was just inside editing videos most of the day. School got canceled for today and for tomorrow, for obvious reasons. Alright. It's cold, but it's beautiful in a way as well. Alright, I'll see you around.